Children, let us continue with the question answers. The first question: where was Romy when the forest fire started? Answer: Romy was at the house of his friend Prem. Second number: how far was Romy's village from his friend's house? Answer: 7 miles away from his friend's house. Third one: what made Romy fall off his bicycle? Answer: Romy fell off his bicycle as several pheasants flew low across his path just in front of the bicycle. Question number 4. Who did Romy meet in the forest? Answer: Romy met Teju in the forest. Question number 5. Why did Romy tell Teju to beat the milk cans? Answer: to scare away the animals. Sixth number. Where did Romy and Teju want to reach? Answer: Romy and Teju wanted to reach the bridge. Question number 7. What was the elephant doing in the middle of the road? Answer: the elephant was moving restlessly, flapping his big ears. Question number 8. What did the two boys see when they reached the bridge? Answer: they saw that the bridge is on fire when they reached the bridge. Question number 9. What happened when they reached the middle of the river? Describe. Answer: in the middle of the river, Teju was on the bicycle. Romy concentrated on keeping his balance so that he could get the bicycle through as he knew that the current was too strong for Teju to cross on his own. Next, think and answer the questions. Children, here I have not written the question. You have to look and write from the book, and I will read the question now. They hadn't known each other very well before, but now they felt they had been friends for years. What do you think made Romy and Teju bond? Why did they feel they were friends for years? Answer is: I think Teju and Romy understood each other and worked together tirelessly to save themselves from that forest fire. Within some hours, the mutual help that they offered each other made them feel that they were friends for years. Question number 2. The river was quite swift in the middle, but having got safely out of the burning forest, Romy was in no mood to let a little river defeat him. What does this tell us about Romy? Answer: this shows Romy was a courageous and brave boy who did not get discouraged by problems and rather liked to face the problems and conquer them. Question number 3. What strong virtues or qualities did Romy exhibit? State any 2 giving instances from the story to support your answer. Answer is: Romy rode through the forest fire alone. It shows he has courageous. He asked Teju to come along with him. This shows he was helpful. Children, now we have finished our lesson. You have to write these question answers in your English copy, okay? And your homework is Learn the question answers and exercise of this lesson and write in your copy. That's all today. Thank you. Have a nice day.